Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are well and finding the series with me useful. So if you are an English language learner or if you are preparing for some competitive exams or board exams where you have English as a subject, you can go through these videos and add on words in your vocabulary list. So today's word is enrapture. Enrapture means to fill with great delight, enchant, hold rapt, charm or captivate. The pronunciation is enrapture. The past tense of enrapture is enraptured. Now let us look at few examples. Her beautiful singing enraptured the audiences everywhere. This means that her beautiful voice filled the audience with great delight. Another one is, the new cartoon series will enrapture the young audience. This means the new cartoon series will charm or attract the young audience. We were enraptured by the spectacular view. This means we were enchanted, we were hold rapt, we were captivated by the spectacular view. The antonym for enrapture will be to put off or fail to impress. The second word in today's list is enrich. Enrich means to make rich or wealthy. Enhance, improve, elevate, refine, adorn, upgrade. The pronunciation is enrich. The past tense is enriched. Some examples will be, the development of oil fields enriched the Arab nations. This means the development of oil fields made the Arab nations rich or wealthy. The breakfast cereal was enriched by vitamins and minerals, meaning the nutrition value of the breakfast cereal was enhanced by the addition of vitamins and minerals. English has been enriched by words from many languages. This means English has been refined or adorned by words from many languages. The antonym for enrich will be downgrade, degrade, impoverish. I hope these words help. Please like, share and subscribe for more such updates.